Are you a woodworker or do you know a woodworker? I'm Eddie Field with Field Guided DIY. Here's a great gift idea. My family gave me a wood burning brand for Field Guided DIY last Christmas. Love it. Here's how to use it. You can pick these up online for about $30. This one's electric. The custom logo screws into the end of the brand. Plug it into any 110 outlet with a strong breaker. Wait for this to get red hot, probably about 25 to 30 minutes, and then it's ready for branding. Make sure you test it first on a scrap piece of comparable wood. See, pine will burn different from oak. Then, once you know how the brand is going to appear on your finished product, you're ready to brand your stock. If you're a perfectionist, you can even clamp a straight edge onto the stock to help line it up perfectly. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice. You hold it on there for about 7 to 10 seconds. You may not get all the detail from more detailed brand. Now we get to let this cool off for quite a long time. Keep it in a safe location while it heats up and while it cools down. Then when you're done, you just store it for the next time. For more woodworking tips and suggestions, click the image on your screen now.